Welcome to the Agriculture Mechanics program at San Angelo ISD, where students turn technical skills into career-ready opportunities. As part of the Agriculture, Food, and Natural Resources cluster, this program blends hands-on learning with engineering principles and real-world applications.
The agricultural mechanic program kind of incorporates multiple classes: ag structures, ag mechanics course. Also, there's an ag equipment and design course. So they all kind of work together. A lot of times it's a project-based course. You're working in more than one discipline in the shop. So you might incorporate some carpentry, you might incorporate some welding, you might have a project that somebody brought to you. Last year, for example, we had 2 trailers come from the transportation department. So you incorporate a lot of different tools and facets of industry just doing a simple project as that.
We have some projects that are designated for the Ag Mechanics Show at the San Angelo Stock Show and Rodeo that we are a part of every year and look forward to that. And it's a fun event for the kids to go to, great thing in our community. So we have, normally 7 or 8 different projects that will be entered in that competition, and which will affect 20 to 30 kids, that are involved with showing different projects there.
This year, we're right now planning on doing a 16-foot car hauler. We're gonna design it ourselves and take it to show for the San Angelo Stock Show and the San Antonio Stock Show.
Students in the Agriculture Mechanics program progress through a 4-year course sequence, starting with the foundations of agriculture and moving into metal technologies, structural design, and equipment fabrication. From diagnosing and repairing farm equipment to mastering welding, carpentry, plumbing, and electrical systems, this program gives students the skills they need to thrive in technical fields. Teamwork and collaboration are a big part of this program. Whether designing an equipment trailer or fabricating custom structures, students work together to plan, problem solve, and build with purpose.
One of our main goals is to have an employable student when they leave school. So if they're not going to college, they're going to industry. Anywhere from the livestock industry, they could go to a local shop that's a welding shop. They could go to a local contractor. They're going to have so many different skills of knowledge that they could go a lot of different places.
Through participation in programs like FFA and Skills USA, students also compete and showcase their skills at a high level, developing confidence and earning recognition for their work. The goal of this program is clear: prepare students for careers in mechanized agriculture, engineering tech, and skilled trades. Whether entering the workforce or continuing to college, these students graduate with hands-on experience and a strong foundation. The Agriculture Mechanics program at SAISD isn't just about building structures, it's about building futures. With technical skills, real-world experience, and career-ready training, our students are set up for success.